Right, bueno, so we have our song here today. It's a mystery song, and as we discussed during our hot cross buns contour, we had some notes that were all steps apart. So we are looking for those in our song here. I'm noticing that that pattern happens right here. We would have step down and step down. We have mi, re, and do right here. Our first sound is going to be a do right here at that first pitch. We have it here, mi, re, do, and then we go back up to re. And this is one of our other patterns, do. Skipping up, we go to mi. We're skipping that re that was in between. Mi goes up a skip, it goes to so, and so takes a step up to a la. Then here we're coming down, la, so, mi, and do, skipping that re that we now know. And over here, we're doing the same thing, kind of. We're going up, do, skipping re, going to mi, and going to so. But we're not going up to la. We're going to stay right there on that so. Here we have some repeated notes. And then we have a change in pitch on the same beat. So this do is half the beat, and this mi is half the beat. Do, mi. And then we're going to go right back to do. So we just have that mi there for a little bit of time. So let's see if we can sing this very slowly. Here we go. Before we do that, let's go through and let's go and do uh, our rhythm syllables. Here we go. One, two, ready, go. Toddy, 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 ta. Toddy, 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 ta. Ta, 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 ta. Toddy, toddy, ta. Ta, 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 ta. Toddy, toddy, ta. This time, can we go through and say this in our solfege? So we're not going to sing it yet. We're just going to say it. Here we go. One, two, ready, go. Do, 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 mi, do, 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 mi, do, do, mi, so, so. La, so, mi, do, la, so, mi, do, mi, re, do. Do, mi, so, la, re, do, re. Do, mi, so, la, re, do. Right, so let's look at this last pattern. Mi, mi, re, do, re, do. Hear that? Ready and go. And then what about if we did this one over here? Very similar, except we're not going to go and stay on that do, we're going to go up to a re. We're going to change our pitch halfway through on beat two, a re to a do, and then we're going to go right back to that re. Here we go. Me, ready, listen. Me, re, do, re. Let's hear that. Ready, and go. Our next measure. Listen to it. Do, mi, so, la. Your turn. Ready, and go. Oh, let's see. We had this one just a second ago. Let's try that. Ready, and go. Do. Did you do it on your own that time? Let's hear it. Your turn. Ready, and go. And we put this whole last line together. Here we go. Ready, and go. Do, mi, so, la, re, do, re. Do, mi, so, la, re, do. Your turn. Ready, and go. All right, let's see. You did beautifully on that. If you didn't, go back and work on that part. We're going to look at this part right here. Measure two. Do, do, mi, so, so. Your turn. Ready, and go. And we're going to do the reverse of the do, mi, so, la. So now it's going to be la, so, mi, do. That. La, so, mi, do. And then it repeats. La, so, mi, do. Can you do that? Ready, and go. Last part. And then we have this one final measure right here. And it's pretty much all those. Do, ready, listen. Do, do, do. Ready, and listen. Do, 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 me. Do, 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 me. Can you do that? Ready, and go. And then, can you add in that second measure to it as you do it? Ready, and go. Do, 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 mi, do, 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 mi, do, do, mi, so, so. You do that? Ready, and go. Going into our next line, next two measures. Do, so, mi, do, so, mi, do, mi, 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 do. All right, so can you put all four of those together now? Ready, and go. Do, do. All right, can you put both lines together? So this whole row and this whole row. We're doing the whole song. Here we go. Ready, and go. Do, 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 mi, do, 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 mi, do, do, mi, so, so, mi, so, mi, do, mi, so, mi, do, mi, mi, re, do, do, mi, so, mi, mi, re, do, re, do, mi, so, mi, mi, re, do. How did you do? If you didn't get it, go back and do it. That reminds me of a song. Did you figure out what it is? If you didn't, see if you can figure it out this time. We're doing it one final time before we figure out what the same song is. Ready, and go. Do, 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 mi, do, 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 mi, do, do, mi, so, so. Mi, so, mi, do, mi, so, mi, do, mi, mi, re, re, do. Do, mi, so, mi, mi, re, do, re. Do, mi, so, mi, mi, re, re, do. If you said Rocky Mountain, you are correct. And this is a picture in the background of the Rocky Mountains. That might have been a good clue for you. So we had Rocky Mountain here. Great job today. Let's move to the next part of our lesson. get our pattern going. So we're going to go 1, 2, hit the cup. So we have our floor, floor, tap, tap, tap. Can you do that? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, tap, tap, tap. Now the next part, we're going to grab our cup with our right hand. We're going to flip it up, pick, pass it to our other hand, and then go down. So we're ready to start again. And then we have a rest. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, tap the cup, pick, pass, down. 1, 2, hit the cup, pick, pass, down. Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high. When you're on that Rocky Mountain, hang your head and cry. Do, 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 do remember me. Do, 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 do remember me. See if you can do that with me this time. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, tap that cup, pick, thumb down, remember, up, pass, down. 1, 2, hit the cup, thumb down, up, pass, down. 1, 2, hit the cup, pick, pass, down. 1, 2, hit the cup, pick, pass, down. See if you can do that with me. 1, 2, ready and go. Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high. When you're on that Rocky Mountain, hang your head and cry. Do, 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 do remember me. Do, 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 do remember me. Excellent job. Keep practicing that if that was hard for you. Go back and watch as many times as you need to.